Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up scheduling on Calendly. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So firstly what you need to do is simply click on the availability option here, and now you can choose a schedule that you can edit or create a new one that you can apply to your event types. Okay, as you can see, I have currently active on two event types, and the time zone I have set it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the calendar view here. You can do many things from here. You can edit the date, you can change the time from here, or you can literally delete the whole day from here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can edit this particular date from here. So it's a Monday, so I'm going to click on edit, and now you can edit the specific hours that you want to show that you are available from. So I'm just going to select a random time from here, and you can choose multiple dates from here, but I'm just going to select on apply, click on apply, and as you can see the time has changed for this particular date. Now if I want to change for all of the days, for example this is a Tuesday row here, this column, so if I want to change all of the Tuesdays time, I can change it from here. So as you can see, all of the Tuesdays have been changed to 2:15 p.m. So that's how you can schedule. Alright, I'm going to show you in list view now. From here you can add a day that you want to show unavailable or available. You can change the particular time of that day. Alright, you can also unselect. You can do many things from here. You can add a new schedule. You can write a name for it. I'm just going to write a name called just work. I'm just typing a random name. So as you can see, we have created a new schedule. So that's how you can set up scheduling on Calendly. So it totally depends on you how you want to do that. I have just showed you a basic method. So that's it for today guys. See you soon. Have a good day.